you appreciate so much this video. You do? You watching or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you convert to exponential, remember I asked by myself, what is the base? What is the base? What is the base? The base is 3. So this is small tree, now it's a big tree. What is the exponent? The exponent is the thing that we don't know, okay, called b equal 243. And this is the exponential. And this is the exponential. Exponential. Entonces now the option is A, no? This is the change to the exponential statement, no? Pero bueno, si we are doing this, why not solve the equation, no? Where the value of b satisfies this. So you need to know that 243 is 3 to the 5th power, therefore b is 5. This is extra. But the only thing that they want is that you change from logarithmic statement to exponential statement. Any question? Do you understand very well or no?
Yes.
Okay, this was number 10. Now number 11 is very, very similar. You have logarithm by 3 of 1 over 243 equal -5. Oh, but in this case, give me the answer, no? And you change it one more time to exponential. The base is 3. The exponent is -5. And the answer should be 1 over 243. Okay, and this is true, of course, because it's the same example, but the exponent is negative, and when the exponent is negative, it's reciprocal. 1 over something. Okay. No problem? Do you understand very well?
Yes.
Okay, let's move into the next page. Let's find the next page. I suppose it's the page 7. I guess so. Let me see. Oh, yes. Okay. I sent to you this package, right? The review package, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, in this case, it's similar. Choose one alternative, the best complete the statement, and the answer, okay. It's given in a logarithmic, and you find 2 exponential. Logarithm base 4 of 1 over 64. This is the argument. And the argument I like, some people know, for example, enclosed in the parentheses, but in my opinion, is very important. Is equal to -3. When you change to exponential, the base is obviously 4. This 4 is different. The exponent is -3, and the answer is 1 over 64. Now make it sense because negative exponent is reciprocal, and I know the 4 to the cubic power is 64. And the negative is 1 over 64. It's the option B. It's number 12. Number 13 is similar. It's logarithm base 49 of 7 inside the argument of the logarithmic function is equal to 1/2. When you convert to exponential, the base is 49, the exponent is 1/2 equals 7. And this statement is so obvious, that's true, because the exponent fraction 1/2 is equivalent to the square root 49, no? So this one is exponent here, it's invisible, and these two, and these two, and these two is these two is also invisible, because when you're talking about square root default, you put the radical symbol as the square root. It's 7, because 7 times 7 is 49. Okay, the 13 is option A. Super easy, eh?
Yes.
No problem. We are strong. 100 points in this test. Oh no. How do you feel in this test? What is the most complicated part? The word problem, no? I suppose.
Yes, the word problems.
No, but don't worry too much because we are doing now in the review a lot of. Okay, okay. And also you practice in your Alex platform. Any question we have about the word problem, you send me a screenshot. I try to solving. Yeah, you send another screenshot with the solution, no? And you little by little you understand. Okay, 14 now. 14 is completely different because it's giving 8 to the third power equal b. This is exponential statement. They want you write a logarithm statement. Okay, no problem, I understand. The base is 8. So you put the magic word log, you put the small 8, represent the base. Inside the parentheses you put b equal, and the answer would be the exponent, always get 3. Okay, and it's a b option. But curiosity, who is b? What value is b? Oh no, b is 8 times a, que is 512. So you multiply a times a 3 times, no? So in conclusion, logarithm base 8 of 512 is equal to 3. This is extra. This is extra. 15. 15 is 4 to the minus 3. Oh, negative exponent now is equal to 1 over 64. We did before this. Remember, to change to logarithm statement, you put a magic word log. The base is 4. The base always is positive. Never is negative 4 or negative 3. No. This is exponent. And exponent is the answer for the logarithm. So what is the argument inside? 1 over 64 equal negative 3. ¿Qué es D? No problema ahí. Let's do it now. 16. 16 is, let me make it zoom to see more clear. Is logarithm base 8 base 9, sorry, of the 1 over 81. But I know very well 81 is 9 square, right? But the problem is we have reciprocal. Es reciprocal. Si es reciprocal es negative. So the answer is negative 2, no? Well, this is one approach, no? You know, another possibility is that the answer is negative 2. Look in this, because the reciprocal and reciprocal is negative here. Okay, another approach, another way to see. No, I don't like this. I believe it's sophisticated. No. You have a quotient and you know the property number 6 que allow me separate division to subtraction. Okay. You apply the property number 6, you split logarithm of 1 minus logarithm of 81. But logarithm of 1 is 0 because the property number 1 say logarithm of 1 regardless the base 9, 10, e, whatever is 0. Entonces es minus logaritmo base 9 of 81. 9 of 81. And suppose that you don't know, remember we have two possibilities. The possibility of the intuition or the possibility of the calculator. No? Let's do it both. So you have no excuse to don't know one logarithm because it's always the same. Okay, now suppose the intuition. Suppose que I isolate logaritmo Base 9 of 81. Oh, what is the exponent? When you raise 9, give me 81. It's obvious 2, right? But suppose you don't know x, and you change to exponential. Is the base is 9, the exponent, I have no idea, equal 81, but I know that 81 is 9 to the second power, therefore it's obvious that x is 2. But I forgot this negative. I forgot intentionally. So the answer is negative. Okay, it's D. Any question? How do you feel? It's important to be strong in the manipulation of the logarithmic exponential logarithmic in both directions. Because sometimes happen. Okay, my problem is easier doing like exponential. Or no, sometimes it's easier because doing much better by logarithmic. So you need to will be able to convert two statements in both directions. Any question? How do you feel?
Feel good.
Erase the board?
Yes.
Next page. Next page. Let me see. I suppose que it's this. Yeah. Okay, graph again. The graph is important. You need to know very well, fast, the graphic of the exponential and the graph of the logarithm, and the domain of the exponential and the domain of logarithm. So we have in the problem number 17, we have a function is y equal logarithm base 8 of x. And the question say, do the graph. So I know very well that we have two kinds of, we have two kinds of exponential, we have two kinds of logarithm. So when you have one, the most popular is when the base is greater than 1. And when the base is less than 1, is different. And every logarithmic graphic passing through the famous point 1,0. But both have a vertical asymptote at the line x equals 0. Vertical asymptote. But one is increasing and another is decreasing. But the base in our example is 8, so corresponding with this scenario. Base greater than 1. So actually, we discard this possibility no and this possibility no. Maybe it's A or D. But I suppose it's obvious que say, because hey, let me make it zoom. We have the famous point here, 1,0, and here no. I don't know exactly what is this point. So it's obvious, in my opinion, que es the option A. Do you understand very well or no?
Yes.
Do you want to get and do it in Desmos to see the graph? Or no? What do you think? What do you consider is good? To see in Desmos to confirmation that everything is okay? The analysis we are doing is right? No? Yes or no? You let me know.
No.
Yes. No? Okay, no problem. You consider it not necessary. Okay, good. That was the question 17, no? 17? Yeah, 17. Okay, now the question 18. Oh, the question 18 look like exponential equation. Solving this equation. Two raised to the 3y equals 64. Remember, we have two kinds of exponential equation. One in which it's possible to express both sides using the common base, and another no. In this case, yes, because I know 64 is 2 to the 6th power. So you try in the calculator, no? Multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, and when you multiply by 2 6 times, it's 64. So you can write like that. This is 2 to the 6th power. Now we have two exponential. The base is the same, therefore the exponent is equal. Finally, divided by 3 both sides. Y2. Que es de 8 ahí. Cool. And the other scenario in which it's impossible doing this, mandatory you apply logarithm both sides, standard, and put it in the calculator. Okay. Do you want I do it using logarithm or no? No, right? So you use a logarithm, you get the same answer. This is the beauty of the mathematics. Different way, but you need to select the best way, the easy ways. Easy way. Not necessarily calculator, right? And this scenario number 18? No. Calculator, no? Yes.
No.
Okay, now question number 19 is a logarithmic equation and involves somehow natural. ln of x plus ln of x plus 7, or minus 7, sorry, minus, yeah, equal ln of 4x minus 18. Okay, this is super easy because right hand side and left hand side both. Left hand side and right hand side both contain logarithmic. Logarithm. It's more complicated when the left hand side contain logarithm and right hand side no, because you need to change to exponential, but in this case no. Wow. So natural logarithm here. Natural logarithm here. Okay, then what should I do? Why don't you apply the property number 5? Because it's plus and multiplication. Logarithm of what? Of x times x minus 7. I put a bracket to indicate the argument of this logarithm that we're condensing only one, no? Equal logarithm of 4x minus 18. Entonces now, well, we have two logarithms and the base, of course, the same. It's because the argument is x minus 7 is the same. But mentally, you delete the ln. I don't care the base. The base is 4, there's 5, either way, it's the same. The reason it's equal is because the argument is the same. So in the moment, we have a quadratic equation because when you distribute it here, we have x squared minus 7x equal 4x minus 18. No? So you express the quadratic as always. In standard, I put x squared minus 7x minus 4x plus 18 equal to 0, and we combine that term, it's negative 11 x plus 18. Okay, put in elegant, of always when you ending in quadratic equation, you have to express it, the quadratic equation in standard form. Now I face the solution of the quadratic equation. What do you think is the best way, by factorization or quadratic formula? In this case, come on, I want to hear opinion.
You can factor.
I suppose you see the combination, no?
Yes, -9 and -2.
Excellent. 9 and 2, both negative. Therefore, the solution is 9 and 2. And that's it, or I need to do extra thing? I finish, or I need to do extra step?
Check.
Check. Mandatory checking, guys, in the logarithmic equation. This is very, very similar to the radical equation, and you need to check it. The reason behind this is clear. Logarithm is picky. Logarithms do not accept inside the argument negative number. It's undefined. Radical do not accept negative number because it's undefined, also because it's imaginary. In this case, it's also imaginary, but I don't care the imaginary. I care the real, and you checking for both, for 9 and 2. So I need to prove somehow the logarithm of 9 plus logarithm of 9 minus 7 should be equal, I don't know if it's true or false, logarithm of 4 times 9 minus 18. Okay, logarithm 9. Well, I put in the calculator if you want, but no, not necessarily. I try to avoid the calculator. Logarithm of 9 minus 7 gets 2. Should be equal logarithm of 36 minus 18 gets 18, no? Entonces now logarithm of 9 plus logarithm of 2 should be equal logarithm of 18, get the subtraction 36 minus 18. And you apply one more time the property number 5 here, que allow me condensing these two logarithms in only one, get the multiplication both, is 8 times 2 gets 18, is equal this. Okay, now the solution 9 is fantastic. Good. Let's see what happened with the 2. Logarithm of 2, I need to prove, plus logarithm of, pero no log, ln, sorry, ln 2 minus 7 should be equal ln 4 times 2 minus 18. Okay, entonces now immediately you see 9 minus 7 is -5, and you see negative number inside the argument. This is error. Yeah, at least one error failed. Just in case we have another error here. Here, no error, no. But here we have error again, because it's 8 minus 18 is minus 10. Again, negative number inside the argument, error. Error means que 2 is no solution. And the only solution that we have is 9. Is the option A. I guess so. Let me try. Let me see. Oh yes, option A. This idea is super clear.
Yes.
Very well. Now let's move on to the word problem. To say you help me to compute this in your own calculator. No? Of course, just in case I bring my own calculator virtual, but I want only to verify your answer. Okay, so the first problem that we are doing is the problem of the finance, money, future value, present value, interest rate, compounding, times. Let me read the problem, let me copy the information that's given, and after I try to apply the formula, no, select the proper formula, we shall find the amount that result from investment. So we have 1,000 invested at 6% compound annually after the period 6 years. Of course, day one, can you find future value? You don't know. You know present value, that's 1,000. Okay, the interest rate R is 0.06. Be very important. In the formula, you express it in decimal. To express in decimal is too easy. You divide it by 100, que is equivalent to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. That's 6 divided by 100 is 6. The decimal point here, 1, 2. It's the new decimal point that you completed with the 0, 0.06. You are doing mentally, not necessarily in that way. And one more information. I have the compounding, que es annually, the annual is 1. That means it's 1 time in 1 year. The money increasing annually. And the period is 6. Okay, always you have to express it in years. So one problem is expressing another unit, month, or days. You need to convert to years, okay? Because the formula is this formula, future value is equal to present value 1 plus R over M raised to the NT. The supposition is this T is N years. NT. NT. It's a multiplication to quantity. N que es 1 and T que es 6. So basically, my future value is 1,000. 1 plus 0.06 divided by 1, que es nothing. Divided by 1 is invisible. Okay, now, parentheses. The multiplication N and T, que es 1 times 6, que actually 1 is invisible, again, is 6. If you want to simplify the thing, not always, but sometimes it's good. Addition 1 plus this, que es 1.06, right to the 6th power. And this is the thing you need to put in the calculator. Come on, guys, you help me? Remember, you truncate, round off to the near 2 decimal place, because we are talking about money. And money, the decimal fraction of dollar is diamond first and cent second. 2 decimal place. Okay, doing. You send, okay. Yeah, you're right, Jenny. Jenny say, que es $1,418 and 52 cents. Okay, by the way, it's the option D in our program. Oh, let me see. Yeah. Everyone understand? You need to show you the procedure in my virtual calculator or no? Yes, please. Okay, Edward. Let's try Edward. Okay. Wow, what the hell? Okay. This is my virtual calculator. Okay. See, share. Okay, there you go. Okay, now I see. Okay, Edward, do you see my virtual calculator? Yes. Okay, let me try Edward. This is here. Okay, I got it. Okay, so I put in my virtual calculator the final answer, no? Que is 1,000 multiplication. Open the parenthesis, maybe. I don't know if it's strictly necessary to typing the time, but just in case, sometimes it's not necessary, but you can do that. And this is 1 point decimal point. I don't see decimal point. It's a comma, pero no decimal point. Pero bueno, I type it in my keyboard. ¿No? 0.06. Okay, and now after the parents, you put the power. Okay, I suppose in the majority of calculator, the symbol of power look like the roof of the house. Yes or no? But in this calculator, unfortunately, it's different. It's power, and you put 6. Bang! You get the answer. Okay, I get the answer. Yeah. Okay, so now remember, I truncate to two decimal place, but I saw que the third is 9 gets bigger than 5, bigger or equal 5, entonces you round off, entonces 52. 52. Make sense? Any question? How do you feel? Can you feel strong in that part, right? Because it's easy. It's no big deal. It's easy. Okay, let's go now to the whiteboard. Okay, cool. Jenny, Brianna, it's okay. Fortunately, fortunately, this is a small class. And also, in this small class, only one subset is the student that want to pass. Entonces, I focus 100% in this student to get A, and the rest I don't care. Okay, Faisul, do you follow me? Brianna?
Yes.
Brianna?
Yeah.
Ladi?
Yes.
Kylie? Kylie Garcia, no? Are you sleeping, Kylie? Or you have enabled the microphone? So you typing in the chat? Yes, no. Camila, are you there or you are sleeping? Camila Carballo. Chelsea Arroz. Oh, I'm here. Entonces, answer my question. Do you understand or no?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I got it. My darling Guzman. My darling, Camila, yes. Alejandro, do you hear me? No, Alejandro. Yeah. And do you understand? Guys, focus on the question. I know. So you replied in my message because you hear me. But the problem was you understand or you don't understand. Come on. Yes, no. It's just or no answer. I do. Okay. Okay, no problema. This is the goal. Now my darling don't say anything. My darling. No. My darling is sleeping. I guess so. Cool. Do you see whiteboard or no? No?
No.
No. Okay. No. Chelsea dice no. Okay. It's because I don't share whiteboard. And now? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Now let's move on to the next word problem, que is similar, I suppose. Is again compute the compound interest, but the present value is the same value, 1,000, And the interest rate is 0.1 because it's 10 divided by 100. Semi-annually is n equal to, is 2 times in 1 year, semi-annually, 6 months, the money increasing, the other 6 months, the money increasing. And actually we have T in 8 years. So you understand very well, look, the multiplication A and 2 is 16 together, NT is 16, indicate us that my money is increasing in 16 period. Look, this is supposed divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2 again, divided by 2. The money increasing like that. Look, it's the money, the money, the money, the money. So this is stairs, but not necessary. No, this is the beauty of the compounding interest. The money increasing faster like that. It's 16 interval because it's 8 years and each year is divided by 2 because it's semi-annually. Make sense of this idea?
Yes.
Okay. Now the formula is future value is equal present value. Makes sense. Okay. 1 plus R over M raised to the NT. Entonces, future value is equal 1000 paréntesis 1 plus 0.1, que es the interest rate, divided by 2 and raised to the multiplication NT, que es 16. Okay, if you want, not necessarily, if you want, we can do some previous operation in which you divide 0.1 divided by 2 gets 0.05. Addition 1 is 1.05 raised to the 16 power. And the rest put in the calculator because it's too hard or impossible. No, in this case, it's possible, but it's too hard. We spend maybe 2 weeks doing this operation by hand. Entonces now I want que no Jenny give me the answer. Another students, maybe Edward, or maybe another students. Let me see. Today we participate everyone. Entonces, try to participate in the easy problem. Okay, Edward, get the answer. Edward say que the answer is future value is $2,182.87. Yes, I got it too. Okay, entonces you let me know the student can get the same answer. Si some students don't get this answer, let me know, and I can explain in my own virtual calculator. No? A ver. Faisal, can you go over it, please? Of course, Chelsea. Okay, so I need
sorry.
You get the same answer?
Yes.
Oh, cool. A ver, let me see, Gladys. You got it, right. Kylie? ID2. Alejandro. Joshua? Joshua, you are late today. Okay, let's do it for you, Chelsea. Let me try. Okay. We share the virtual calculator. Okay, let me put exactly in the whiteboard background to see the number. No, okay, I need to compute. You know, it's crazy. Okay. Entonces, do you see, Chelsea, my own calculator? Yes. Well, it's 1,000. You type the 1,000 in your calculator. You put time multiplication times something. You open the parenthesis maybe. Yeah, for sure, you open the parenthesis. You put inside 1.05. 1 point, decimal point here, I discovered, 0.5. Okay, you close the parenthesis also, and you put the power. The majority of calculator, the power, you type it in the key, can look like a roof of the house, like that. No, you don't see here. You, and the power is 16, no? 1.6. Oh, no, too much. 1.6. And you see the answer, 2,182 and 87 cents because the third digit is 4. Okay, so stay, delete, remove, it's $87. Cool. ¿Ya le sea? All right. I was doing in the wrong thing. I see it now. Okay. This is important. So be careful with the parentheses. This is the sophisticated detail in the formulas. And this is part of the training. No? That is the reason we study mathematics. No? Because in your specific major, you need to find several formulas. And you need to put in the calculator but in the correct way, not in the wrong way. Any other question, Camila? Camila, you get good or no? Camila, you never say something. Camila Carballo. Camila, I good. Okay. Cool. Let's move on to the next page. Next page. Do you see whiteboard now? Oh, carajo. Here, over there. Do you see the whiteboard?
Yes.
Okay, entonces the answer que we select was D, no? Here. Now, next page. This is page number 9. After that, erase everything. Page number 9. Page number 9. Wow, this is too many poor problem. Okay. But you can see that this is super easy. Let's practice. The 22nd word problem is about the conservationist target 120 black nose rabbit. This is the growth population. And remember the formula that we're using in this scenario is population to any time es igual P null, que P null represent the initial population E to the KT. Important. P null represent the initial. Initial what? Initial population, que is amount of rabbit, que I suppose is given in one moment of the problem when they finish to read that. And K is it's always in the exponential, is the rate of change, que is similar in the money like the interest rate. But in this case, no, it's not money, it's biology problem or physics, okay, whatever. And this is because actually we have exponential, but we have a family of the exponential. And this is family of exponential have different K, K1, K2, K3. K3 is bigger, no? Than K2 is bigger because increasing faster. Now you need to determine, according to the condition of the problem, what is the actual answer. Okay, and therefore, for this reason, always give me a condition 1. Condition 1 allow me to find the K value, and the condition 2 is the solution for the problem. So we have 3 conditions. Condition 0 is the initial. And the initial is when they read the problem, The problem says that the natural forest in 1990, this is condition 0, I guess so. This is t equals 0. This is t equals 0. Initial. Ahora now in 1993, que es obvio que es 3 years after, no? Es the condition 1. We have in the population 240. Oh, so we have whole thing. We have sorry, I forgot something. At the beginning, in condition 0, we have 120. 120 rabbit. Look at that. 120 black nose, and we have 240 black nose rabbit in the condition 1. Okay, so now my formula is using the condition 0. Population to any time specifically for the number in this word problem is 120 e to the kt. This is p null, condition 0. And this is p1. Actually, no 1, it's 3. P population and 3 is equal to 240. So now 240, I plug in 240 in the population, but at t equal 3 years. So 120 exponential k times 3. And the only unknown that we have in this exponential equation is obvious, que es k. And you solve for k. Says how you solve it. Well, you go with 240 equal 120 e to the 3k. I put the coefficients in the first place. I like that. You divide both sides by 120. It's obvious that 240 divided by 120 is 2 e to the 3k. Therefore, apply logarithm of both sides because we are in front of the one equation exponential, but it's impossible to express both sides using common base. The only possibility of solving this is apply logarithmic. What kind of logarithm? One of the natural, it's obvious, because the exponential involve the base e. Ya I know que the associate the corresponding logarithm with the base e is ln. There is a reason que you apply ln. The ln of 2 is equal to 3k because I very well know que logarithm and exponential undo each other. Now k alone is logarithm of base 3 divided by 3. And this is k. Okay, this is the final answer. No, of course no. Logarithm of 2, sorry. I make a mistake every day. Look, this is 2. So far, everyone follow me? So far, everyone follow me? This is not the final answer, of course. This is k. Okay, cool. But it's important that you follow me in the sequence of the solution of the problem. Because the problem is no one step, there's several steps. Actually, it's 3. Condition 0, condition 1, and condition 2. In condition 2, I have no idea. Let me read again the problem. The condition 2 say, I want to find in 8 years after, later. 8 years later to 1998, I suppose. So at t equal 8, how many rabbits we have? Population at 8. This is my goal, my final answer. But I'm using the same formula. Okay, let me organize the problem. I'm using the same formula, but I try to compute population at 8 years later. It's equal 120 e to the k, pero k I have in my hand, que es that value, and TSA. Okay? Okay, actually, I put in a calculator something like that. 120 times exponential, and you put k as natural logarithm of 2 divided by 3 times 8. And this is forming the exponent, no, of this exponential. Come on, guys, doing. And you let me know where the answer. Of course, we are talking about rabbit. So I delete the decimal place. No round off. Es truncate. Suppose que the answer is 500.25. I delete 25 because the rabbit is an animal and have no sense to talk about decimal of the rabbit. Okay. Calculator, everyone calculator. Everyone calculator. 769 point Gladys. Okay, Gladys, super cool. Gladys say que the answer is 761 point what? Point one, Gladys? Repeat again.
0.95.
95. Like
Yes.
that? Of course, we are talking about, so now, you know, what is, in your opinion, the best approximation? I put in my paper at least. Approximation 762, no? Because it's almost 1. Okay? So either way, I don't know. So you write like that, 61, because you believe that this is not enough to consider it. Get one more rabbit, it's okay. Both answers good, depending on your point of view. And so you want to find the close, and then it's 62. 762. This is, we are talking about rabbit, no? This is rabbit. Everyone get this answer or no? Come on, opinion. Jenny got it. Just expecting. Jenny always get the right answer. Brianna, you don't say anything. Got it. Chelsea, good. Edward, got it. Okay, one more. Faisul. Chelsea, I say okay.
I got it.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
I got it.
Okay. Alejandro, Camila, Kyler, Natalie. Where have you been, Natalie? Faisul putting off the microphone. And Joshua. Joshua, Natalie, and Kylie. Okay, hi. You are working or no, Kylie? Hi. I don't want to hear hi. I know that you are here, I suppose. What? Yes, I am working. Wait till you get the same answer like me. Let me know, like a Gladys. Yes, I working full time. Full time where? With me now. In your job, no? I suppose. Natalie, no opinion, no comment. Activate the microphone. Natalie, no. Joshua, no. And Camila, no. Camila, you are shy, no? Very shy. Yes, okay. Pero, you know, my advice is in the university, you need to share if information. So the problem in university, guys, is not to be smart. You need to find information. Suppose that you cannot you find information for another students or take advantage the office hour of the teacher, no, or the tutors. And little by little, this is a process. You become in another students. So you enclose in one shell and do not interchange with the environment. It's not good. It's not good. Okay, you understand this idea? So do you want que somebody want que I will do in the virtual calculator or no? Sure, Camila is sure. Okay, let me try, Camila. Okay. Virtual calculator. Okay. Virtual calculator is, let me share with you. Virtual calculator. Okay. Let me put a background of the whiteboard and virtual calculator. Okay. Do you see the virtual calculator, Camila? Okay. Okay, one fantastic way, so my opinion always is you put in the calculator, not in the super complicated way, because sometimes, well, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, I press enter, next line, I put 120, multiplication, entonces I put the E, function exponential. Normally, every calculator have that function, and you need to find. And my virtual calculator is here, function, and you press E to the X. And your own calculator, get the majority of calculator, you have two keys. The key LOG and the key LM. And the same key, when you press shift, when you press, let me see the calculator I have in my hand now, you press second function, and you press ln, you get the exponential, right? You see exponential. And be careful, because in the exponential, in the exponent, you open the parenthesis, maybe, and you enclose everything, and we need to, case 8, I put them in different order. I put a times natural logarithm of 2, function again, natural logarithm of 2, ooh, 2 too much. I press twice. Logarithm of 2, main 2. Okay, outside the parentheses of the logarithm, you have two levels of parentheses. One parenthesis can involve everything inside the exponent of the E, and another parenthesis is the argument of the logarithm. Now division by 3. Okay, you know, the order of the operation is not important. No? You divide and multiply from left to right, either way, and you get this answer, is 761.9. We truncate, we round, whatever you want, 61 or 62, depending on your point of view. You consider it as the close answer or no, your interpretation, okay, you take the whole number answer because the rabbit is never a fraction. Either way, it's just interpretation. Any question? Camila, is okay? Camila is a yes. Okay. You did in your own calculator, Camila? You discovered you discovered the key you need to press, no? And the rest of the student, no? Kylie? I have Kylie and Kayler. Kylie is a woman, no? And Kayler is a male. Natalie is a woman, of course. And Joshua is a man. Oh, Kayler. Soy hombre. Okay. And Natalie is a woman. And Joshua is a man. And Kylie is a woman because I hear your voice. Everyone is agreed, you know, you will be able to do by yourself in the test this problem. Remember, we are doing, Gladys. We are doing the review, no? This is a moment to learn because we go over again to the same thing. Chelsea, I say, yes, it is okay. Good. Let's move on to the 23rd problem. 23 problem. Whiteboard now. Switching whiteboard. Do you see my whiteboard? Okay,
Yeah.
the answer was, look at that, what the answer was. And the answer in the, but of course in our test, we have no multiple choice, no? But in the review, yes. It's option A. Okay, cool. Now let's move on to the problem 23. 23, let me erase everything. Erase everything. And 23 is very, very similar, the same kind of problem, because how do you know that? Because we are talking about population. Population is that formula. Population at any time is equal. Do we have anything else? Yeah, of course. We don't finish, Camila. We have a lot of word problem. You only pay attention and try to work it in your own calculator. Okay, 23. 23 is very, very similar to 22. How do you know that? Camila, no, I am talking about the extra. What extra you need? No, I am talking about extra. Why you need extras if we don't finish the review? When you finish the reviews, you need extra, you let me know. I don't know now. Okay? I suppose that we spent today doing the review and Monday. This is my plan, no? I don't know if I will do it too fast or not. And also Camila. Eddie, credit. No, credit, I left. And when you explain the exponential equation, I left one extra problem, no? Do you remember that or no? I'm talking about extra credit. Extra credit I left in one more. And also remember, the official extra point is the homework. So you are doing the homework and you get a score greater than 80%. In every homework, you have 10 extra points. I suppose that you remember that, yes or no? And also, you have 5 extra points in the reading test by the subscription on YouTube. I suppose that everyone's, but not all students send me the proof. You send me email with the screenshot of the proof. Okay, you are my member and the YouTube. I subscribe them. And you send me the proof, Camila. I will subscribe. You will future. Okay. So I wait for you. Okay. So now 23. Alejandro is do each homework. Yeah, Alejandro is okay. Chelsea, I will say please proof. Okay. Repetition again because you don't pay attention. You are a student in the college, no high school. Forget about high school. High school, so you don't know, you pass. Here, so you don't know, you don't pass. For sure, I guarantee you 100%. Pay attention. I explained at the beginning, the first day. We have extra, and you take advantage of this extra credit. So you are doing the homework. Okay, in each chapter we have 3 homework, and the score in each homework is greater than 80, 85, 90 something, 100. In any, so you fail in one, no, 0, extra. You get 10 extra points in the test number 3 online. Okay, and also another way to gain extra point is subscription in my YouTube channel, but I need the proof because the notification in YouTube is not good. Sometimes send me notifications, sometimes not. So I am confused, I cannot see your name and some name, but not all of name. To solve that problem is easy. You send me email, but not now. Now it's a lecture. Okay, you send me anytime. Tomorrow, today, at midnight. Okay? Come on, 23, 23. 23 is, again, the same kind of problem. How do you know? Because I just did it, send you email. Okay, Camila. Camila, I want you are good doing fast, not only for semi-proof, you know, for solving the problem. Come on, try in your own calculator. Do you have calculator or no? A. What mean A? You have calculator, yes or no? So in the last moment, you send me the answer. Okay, okay. The population, yes, I do calculator. So now I would like you try to do 23 problem and you give me the answer. The answer is only for you. Pay focus. I explain the procedure and the final answer you put in the calculator. The population of the particular country was 28 million. Wow. Entonces, population in the initial condition 0, que 0 es 1985, is 29 million. Right here, no 00460, no, 29 million. I suppose that this unit, 29 is a million. Now, in 1990, a 40. Uy, uy, uy. Que actually 5 million later, no? A 40. Wow, too fast. Increasing. This is million. This is million. This is condition 0. This is condition 1. The condition 1 always we are using to find the constant K que represent the rate of change. How fast? Okay, entonces they always ask me the condition 2, es the unknown, at least you don't know something. Entonces ahora, the exponential growth function, bueno, es obvio que es capital A, pero no, I don't want. P to any time is equal to 29 e to the kt. It's obvious, no? Because you replace P null for this number, no? Because the initial, right? Describe the population of the country at T years after 1985. Using the fact in the 5 years, after 1985, get 1990, the population increasing 11. It's 11. Yeah, it's 29 plus 11 is 0, carry that 140, no? Okay, I know that. To find the K. Oh, day 1, can you find the K? It's like a similar to the previous problem, but only the first part. So 40 is easy. 40 is equal to 29 e to the K, and the time is 11, no? No. The time is 5. Because the duration in between 1985 and 1990 is 5 years. Oh, this is the only unknown that we have in that problem is K. And so for K, divided by 29 both sides. We have 40 divided by 29 equal exponential E 5K. I put the coefficient in the front because I feel more better, more comfortable. Now you apply logarithm. What kind? Natural, of course, because I know very well the fact is the natural and the exponential E with the same base undoes each other. Entonces natural 40 divided by 29 is equal to 5K. Now K alone, isolated, is natural logarithm of 40 or 29, 40 over 29 divided by 5. And that's it. Put in the calculator and end the story. Notice que logarithm of 40 over 29 is a positive number because 40 divided by 29 is greater than 1. When it's greater than 1, logarithm of the number greater than 1 is positive. And that indicates, when the case is positive, that indicates us that our exponential is exponential growth. It's like that. Boom, no decay. Okay, it's exponential growth. Come on, Camila, put in your own calculator and give me the answer by the chat. And you truncate, well, use, yeah, put 3 decimal place. Okay, it's natural logarithm of 40 divided by 29. Close the parenthesis, very important, the parenthesis, o sea, you enclose in the parenthesis 40 divided by 29, and out the parenthesis division 5. Press enter, bam, and you get the answer. And you know, and the answer using 3 decimal place. Come on, Camila. You don't know or you know? No, no sé. Camila, you want to pass? Yes or no? It's easy. Yes, so you have to learn. It's not high school, es university. Pero no es me pierdo. Okay. Okay. Me pierdo. Look, it's easy. You have, I suppose that you have the calculator in your hand. Yes or no? This is the display of your own calculator. Okay, let me show you. I don't know. Let me try to find one image of the calculator. Not exactly the calculator I have. Okay, suppose. Let me try to find. I don't guarantee you guys I found in my computer. Check. Where? Here, image. Okay, desktop. I suppose here we have calculator. I don't know if this calculator is good or not. This calculator look like similar to the calculator you have or no? Do you see my whiteboard? Do you see the image of the calculator?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Pay attention, please. Your calculator is very, very similar to this or no? Yes, this is one. Okay. Entonces, Camila, the only thing you should do, pay attention, please. You press this key. Que es natural law. When you press this key in the display of the calculator, you see ln, and automatically, I don't know why, the calculator is good. Open one first parenthesis. You did that? You did that? Come on, answer me quickly, because we are lost time with you. Cool. Now you put it. No. I don't say that you press enter. You press only LN. Okay, please clear the display. Clear. What is the clear key? Displays totally in blank. No display, no number. You press this key and you see something like that. Yes or no?
I pressed LN, but without pressing enter, and it still says error.
No, but who say que press enter? I don't say that. Press only one key, only one. The I select in red color. Clear and press this only. Please.
I didn't.
Okay.
I did not press enter. I only pressed LN and it still says error.
No, this is wrong. Hello. When I press LN, I see LN. Okay, I suppose you have more information on the display. I need display totally in blank.
It is blank.
Blank. Press LN now.
Okay.
You see error.
Yes.
Error again?
Yeah.
Oh, that you are a liar. No.
I'm not lying, I swear.
No. Only one key, and when you press enter, is que you say, calculero, calculate something. You say, maybe if you make a mistake, you say error. But if you press Elaine
I'm
only,
gonna show you.
hello, show me.
Can you
Uh,
see? Okay,
uh-huh.
it's clear. And then I press LN and it says error.
Clear again.
Okay, it's clear.
Clear.
And then I
And
press
you press.
LN and it says error.
A ver, Elaine. The problem is que your calculator is different. It's
It's
different.
exactly the same. I don't know.
No, they are different calculator. Okay. You press first the ball, Camila. Pay attention, focus.
I am.
You press 40 divided by, a ver, let me see, divided by 29.
Uh-huh.
Now you press equal to perform the division first.
Okay, right there.
I suppose that you get 137 something, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, this is the crucial moment that you apply logarithmic. Press the key logarithmic.
The LN?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
No error, no?
No, it
Anymore.
says 0,
Wait, don't touch anymore. Don't touch. No error, no? Now
No.
divided by 5. Division 5.
Uh-huh.
Enter. And you get some answer. Show me. I don't see. I see the calculator, but I don't know. Here's the answer. Good. 0.064.
Yes.
Okay. Then your calculator is different. The majority of I know. The majority of calculator, you put first of all logarithm, and inside you put the operation. No, in this case, you are doing from the innermost parenthesis to out. So the answer is
0.06.
0.064. Que es
Only 4 digits?
yeah, because, well, because depending the choice que you need to select, look, it's option A. You see?
Yes.
Cool. The rest of the things are doing okay. What's good? Can you participate? Okay. Guys, this is the moment to learn. You take advantage. And your friend, I like so much to explain the thing, but I don't like the student hiding in the shadow and do not participate. Entonces, nada, bueno, okay. Boom. Okay, let's move on to the question 24, no? 24. 24 is different. How do you know it's different? The reason que give you error is because you don't put any operation first. And when you press logarithm, your calculator interprets que es logaritmo 0. And logaritmo 0, obviously, is error. Okay, 24 is about this is exponential but decay. When you hear something about half-life of the radioactive isotope, the exponential that we are working look like that. Is t equals 0, is decay. And the formula for the decay is amount of substance to any time is equal A null, que is the initial, e to the kt. It's similar, but be careful because k now is negative. And this is the reason que es exponential decay. Si es positive, es exponential growth. Like that. No growth, es decay. Okay, entonces half-life of the silicon 32, it's a chemical element, is 710 years. Okay, half-life is in the silicon 32 is equal 710 years. Okay, now I have at the beginning 10 grams. The A null is 10 grams. But half-life means que the half of this, que 5 grams, occur at the duration 710 years. Do you understand this idea? This is too slow. It's 7th century and 10 years. So this is a radioactive isotope and disintegration too slow. Now, how much will be in 100? I need to find the amount of substance in 100. Is the thing I don't know. The time is 100. I suppose it's 100 is here. I suppose it's the quantity between 10 and 5. I don't know exactly, but this is not linear. This is exponential, so you cannot figure it out using slow. No. Entonces now round your answer to the 3 decimal place. Okay, we're using the formula again. We come back here, but I need to find the K first. So the initial is condition 0, condition 1, and condition 2. And the condition 0, the problem is given the amount A null is 10. The amount of substance to any time is 10. E to the K. In condition 2, well, it's the condition 1, sorry, condition 1. It's the condition 0. And it's the condition 2. Not always happen condition 1 first. It's given first, but it happen not necessarily in the sequential time. O sea, but in the condition 1, I know that the amount of substance is 5 equal 10 exponential K multiplication by the time K is 710 years. Wow, we have exponential equation, but the only unknown in this exponential equation is K. And so for K, divided by 10 both sides, 5 over 10 is 1/2 equal E to the 710 K. Oh, nice. Apply natural logarithm of both sides. Apply natural logarithm of both sides. And you need to know very, very well that this and this function undoes each other, and the answer is 710K. Now K alone is natural logarithm of 1/2 divided by 710. This is K value, que of course I immediately recognize que es negative number because logarithm of 1/2, que is a logarithm of the number less than 1, give me a negative number. But I don't compute that. You can and store in the memory of the calculator, because you copy in the piece of paper, you lost approximation. No, not good. You don't lose approximation. You copy in the memory, or no, or leave it like that, like exact solution, and we come back to the same formula using the condition 2. And what is the condition 2? Condition 2 was 100 years. And now, I have condition 2, sorry. The only restriction for the condition 2 is T equal 100 years, right? Okay, 100 years. T equal years. Now I'm plugging in where? In the formula. The formula say amount of substance. What substance? Silicon 32, sorry. And 100 years is equal 10 grams, que es the initial, exponential. Now K, I know que is natural logarithm of 1/2 divided by 710 is the half-life, multiplication by 100, and everything is the exponent and the exponential. Be careful with the parentheses. We have two levels of parentheses. We have one outermost parenthesis that involve everything in the exponent of the e function, exponential. And we have another small parenthesis that involve the argument of the logarithm. Okay? Let's do it. 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 Let's do it and round on of the final answer to the 2 decimal place. Come on, guys. Calculator, everyone. Calculator, everyone. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, it's important part of the game to do the operation with the calculator. So you need to understand the mathematical. Aha, is the answer. Jenny again. Jenny say que es 9.9 around, you know, approximate, that symbol indicate approximate 9.07, que is the option C in the package. Edward, I got it too, the same answer. Edward, Jenny, who more got it? Edward. Who more? Who more get this answer? Me too, Gladys. Yeah, Chelsea. Who more? Chelsea dice, I got it. Okay, Faisul, Brianna. Brianna, que you are too quiet. Brianna Walters. Okay, cool, cool. 9.07 is the answer. Brianna, are you there or you are sleeping? Brianna, Walter? Brianna, Brianna, Brianna. You don't participate in the lecture? You are sleeping? Brianna? Camila? Nothing. And your weird calculator? Diga. The same question for every. I need to repeat the question for you. You get the answer in your own calculator? Yes or no? Cool. That was easy. And this is complicated, more complicated. Okay, 9.07. My darling Joseph, Kyler, Natalie, Joshua. Okay. Okay. No. What mean you don't answer me? My darling Joseph, Kyler, Natalie, and Josh. Why you don't answer me? Because are you not here? You are in the restroom. You are sleeping, no? I put out the. Okay, I'm here. Come on, answer me. You did? You don't? You don't know? You don't understand? I need feedback. This is online class. I understand. So you are in front of me. I say in your place. Hey, what are you doing? Kylie is a question mark. You don't understand anything, right? Question. I ask a question. And you answer with another question. You did the problem? You don't know? You understand? You will be able to do it in the calculator? No, yes, no, come on. All right, yes. What mean yes? The question is no, yes or no question. It's information question. I need information, no yes or no. Okay, that was the problem 2020 what? 24, no? 24? Yeah, 24. And the answer was this, C, no? Okay. Okay. 20. No. I did wrong. Hello. It's this. 24. Now 25. 25 is similar. It's a half-life again. When you hear the word half-life, a decay exponential. Okay, and it's a plutonium. Plutonium 234. It's a chemical element. It's 9 hours. Oh, this is mean the disintegration is too fast. If 60 milligrams of the present is present now, this is the condition 0. It's the same formula, it's the same situation, but I want to start at the beginning. Please pay attention. Because when you write, so you don't know, and you write in the exam, in the reading test, I saw that some students write totally nonsense ideas. I detect immediately. I detect who know and who don't know, and who copy for the another students. He don't know because skip one information, because don't understand anything. It's like a Chinese, no? I detect get Chinese immediately. Yeah, I put 0. So some students have 0 in the second test because write in Chinese or write only the final answer, but I want to see the word and details. Okay, so now, no word, no point, no credit. Okay, there's a half-life. Okay, the formula is the same. Amount of substance to any time is A null e to the KT. It's decay problem, because I expect K is negative. Decay, exponential decay. Now at the beginning we have 60 milligrams. So the formula, the specific formula is 60 e to the KT. Okay, this is the initial, this is A null, 60. Entonces now the half-life, and the half-life we have the half, and the half of 60 is 30. So for the condition 1, this was with the condition 0, but the condition 1 is 30. Is equal to 60 e to the k, and the time it happened that situation is 9 hours. 9 hours. Look at that here. Because it's the half-life of the plutonium. But the only unknown we have in this problem is K. So for K divided by 60 both sides, it's 1/2. Always half, I get 1/2 because it's a half-life. A to the 9K. Oh, you apply natural logarithm both sides. Then we have in the other line logarithm 1/2, and we have 9K because I know very, very well the logarithm and exponential when it's the same base and with each other. Now we have logarithm 1/2 divided by 9, and it's the K value, K using in the second part. When the third part, the problem is the condition 2. The condition 2, I need to investigate what's going on, how much will be present in 6 days. Wow. The time is given in the condition 2. The time is given 6 days. Be careful because the half-life, this is tricky, was given an hour. This night was 9 hours. So you need to write everything in the same unit, because you confuse the unit, the time, day and hour, you make a mistake, of course. And you convert immediately this day to hours multiplied by 24, no? It's 114 hours. What comes from 114 was the multiplication of 6 times 24, no? Okay, cool. Now I go to the formula, because I need to compute at this time gets 114, and the formula gets 60 e to the k. But who is k? This is k. K is natural logarithm of 1/2 divided by 9 and multiplication by 140. And everything inside the parentheses can involve or include the exponential. So when you write 60 times exponential, and just in the exponent, you open the parentheses and you put inside the parentheses logarithm of 1/2, you open another parenthesis, innermost parenthesis, 1/2 divided by 9 multiplication by 100. Come on, guys. Participation. The student can want to give me the answer. Entonces now always the advanced student give me the answer, no? And you compare the answer of the students and your own answers. If you have some discrepancy, I try to do in my own virtual calculator. Okay, unfortunately, it's not the same or your own calculator. This is the disadvantage of the class in person. In person, I try to advise everyone in your own calculator. Let me see your calculator. Oh, your calculator, I believe is this. But you need to find by yourself. Okay, entonces en my opinion, the answer is expressed in, okay, you round, but you express it in 3 decimal place after the point. Approximately. Come on, do it. Nobody? Nobody can do that? Exactly. Edward says 0.001. Everyone get this answer or no? The answer is 0.00 is the option C. Who need extra explanation? Who don't get this answer? Try. Gladys, I got it. Gladys. Gladys, I got it. Okay, cool. Two more. Got it. Jenny, I got it. Okay, cool. The 3 important students, Edward, Jenny, and Gladys, no? Okay. What about the rest? Come on. Brianna, you never asked me, you never answered me, sorry. Brianna, are you there or no? Camila got it, cool. What is the answer, Camila? But you type it, I got it. No, I don't want you type it, I got it. I want you type it, the answer. I understand that part is hard. I explained at the beginning. This subject is not for everyone because it's 2 subjects together, poly algebra and pre-calculus together. This is called integrated algebra. And this is just the beginning. The chapter 4 is more harder, and the chapter 5 is harder. I think it seriously. If you want to stay or not. So you don't understand, you let me know. I don't. You try to get your best option. You drop the class, or it's much better. I will drop by myself, no? I don't know if these details what is better for you, You stay, you don't know, you don't pass. You put F or D. So I destroy your GPA. I don't want to destroy GPA. So you, the rest is okay or no? Chelsea, you get the answer or no? Faisul, 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 are you there? Alejandro? Okay, yes, sir. No, Faisul, 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 Faisul. Say something, Faisul. Are you there or no?
Did you call me professor?
Of course, of course. I pronounce it wrong your name, Faisul,
Oh.
Islam. I pronounce it wrong. I pronounce it wrong. You don't hear. This is the problem of the internet, you know. There are a lot of things need to coincide to be successful. Good internet connection, good device, good computer or laptop. And some people say, no, professor, I failed the class because I have internet issue. You have internet issue, don't take online class. I teach again this class in person next semester. Okay. Okay. Entonces, one more example. 26, ¿no? Similar, Camila, ¿no? One more. Okay, 26. Now, do you see my whiteboard?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Okay, 26 is the same problem because a fossilite left contains 27% of the normal amount of carbon-14. This is decay problem. 26 is decay problem also. And the formula is amount of substance to any time is equal A null e to the gate. A null is the initial. Que initial, I suppose que 100%. So you express it, the answer in relative unit. When you hear, you see, you hear percentage, 27. This is relative unit. Expressed in percentage. Entonces, the initial is 100. The formula for the condition 0 is amount of substance to any time is equal 100 e to the gate. And don't forget que in this problem K is negative. That is the reason K is decay exponential. Exponential decay. Okay, cool. Now one more. How old is the fossil to the near years using 5600? Wow. 5600 represent the half-life. Of course, years. We are talking about years. There are some isotopes que disintegrate too slow, and there are another isotope that disintegrate too fast. For example, silicon-32 is low, 710 years. Plutonium, no. Plutonium is too fast. It's 9 hours. And carbon-14 is more slow. It's 5600 years. What is the same? This is using for the condition 1. Condition 1 is amount of substance to any time is equal 100 e to the gate. But si you're using the condition 1, the amount of substance right now in the condition 1 is 50. Why 50? Where come from 50? It's a half of 100, 50%. That is the reason the half-life is equal 100 e to the k, okay, I have no idea who's k, and the time is 5600. Okay, so we have again exponential equation. always happen similar situation. You divide by 100. You divide by 100 is 1/2 e to the 5600k. The only unknown is k. Apply logarithm both sides. And you know very well que logarithm and exponential 1, 2 each other. Do you understand very well this idea or not? Sure?
Yes.
Okay, good. I want to hear this. I like. Okay, now this is cancel out, and this is 5600 times k. Therefore, k alone is divided by 5600 equal k. You see that the condition 1, k, in this kind of problem is the half-life. Always give me the possibility to find the k. And k, immediately I realize que es negative. Because logarithm of the number less than 1 is negative. When you put in a calculator, so you put in a calculator something like that. But no, I don't want to put in a calculator. You put in a calculator in the last formula, in the condition 2. In the condition 2, using the same formula, the same formula que is this. But you try to adaptate to the condition 2. And what is the condition 2? The condition 2 is, is 27%. So we have no 50, we have 27. 27 is equal 100 e to the kt. You solve for t because I want to know how long, divided by 100 both sides. Apply logarithm one more time. ln 27 over 100. I am boring to do this. This is cancel out, and logarithm exponential does each other. Is equal kt. Therefore, t alone, que es our goal, is logarithm of 27 over 100 divided by k. Pero who is k? K is this. It's logarithm of 1/2 divided by 56. Okay. Be careful. Let me try. This is a little bit complicated putting the calculator in that way. I propose you do something. Okay, you put 5600 in the top like that. Multiplication by logarithm of 27 over 100 divided by logarithm of 1/2. I suppose the answer is positive because we are talking about time. The time never is negative. We never travel to the past, we travel to the future. Now the time is positive quantity, always. Now, however, you have the division 2 logarithmic, and both logarithms are negative because the number inside the argument is less than 1. Put in the calculator, and that's it for today. My recommendation is watching the video again and try to do it without pressure. Okay, what is the answer? What the answer is? Yeah, this is the answer. Approximately 10,878 years, no? I don't know si day one approximation decimal or no. Let me see. 10,500. This answer is incorrect. Well, no, it's, yeah. The most closest is the, however, it's not exactly. This is a mistake. So we are doing well. However, some package he have a small mistake. 10,500, 78, 59, no, it's 70, it's 70, 78. All right. Years, of course, years. We are talking about years. The age of this something, a fossil, no? Fossil Fossily leaf, contain, fossily leaf. Okay. Then we continue next time with another problem, more complicated word problem. It's my recommendation. I will soon, as soon as possible today, for the video of this lecture. Guy, you have to study. You want to pass. Okay? Okay. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Bye, Professor.
Mm-hmm.